Hi guys, it's Robin here with WTI. Let's talk light fixtures.
The goal for this bathroom was sleek, modern and functional, and this 3-head light fixture definitely ticks all those boxes. You can see here just how modern it looks and how beautifully it coincides with the additional black matte features in the bathroom, such as the mirrors and towel racks. You can see also even down to the faucet, they have kept this theme in line and it is beautiful. So right here, the matte black fixture, it is super simple. And then it's also flat on the top, which I really appreciate since it is easy to clean. Also, in addition to its stylish looks, it is super functional. It has a great amount of light and really brightens up the bathroom.
So guys, as you can see, this is an absolutely beautiful upgrade to a regular bathroom. It could be a feature piece as well. So I think it's absolutely beautiful. I know you guys will love it too, but that's just my point of view.